back, everybody. Today we're going to go over how to sign up for class signups for So Magical Expo. This is specifically going to look at Tennessee 2023 So Magical Expo, which is June 30th through to July 2nd. So if you're here for another event, it might be slightly different or it may have changed over time, but this is what it looks like for Tennessee. So as you can see, we're on our homepage, sewmagicalexpo.com. We highly suggest doing this on a laptop. It's much faster and smoother. You can do it on an iPad or a phone, but a computer, a desktop, laptop always runs smoother. So all the classes are listed here under shop. You can also hit buy tickets, takes you the same place. And if you scroll down here, you see the category. You have clicked on the Tennessee class signups category. You'll see the list of classes. This is not all of them. This is just demonstration purposes. As you can see here, some of them say protected, and these will all stay protected, password protected, for our VIP plus pass holders to be able to sign up on Tuesday, March 28th at 9 p.m. That they will be getting their passwords and they will be able to use those passwords at that time. These will stay password protected until Wednesday, March 29th at 9 p.m. when all other ticket holders are going to be able to sign up for classes. The only ticket that does not work and allow you to sign up for classes is the no class pass ticket. So when you go to sign up and you're part of all the other ticket holders, it will not say protected anymore and you can go ahead and just hit add to cart. But as a VIP plus pass holder, you will be having to put in a password. So I'm going to click this first class here. I'm going to go ahead and hit add to cart. It's going to ask me for that password. I'm going to put my VIP plus password in here. This will be sent out via email to all our VIP pass holders on March 28th for the Tennessee show. If you go down, you can see each class has linked below the class information if you need to remind yourself about any of the details of the class and the class schedules. The schedule is also written in the title of each of these. It says the date and the time at which that class will start. I'm going to hit add to cart, and as you can see here, it's been added to my cart. So I can go ahead and click view cart, and it's going to ask me to log in. So anybody that's wanting to have fast fingers and make sure you get the class you really want to sign up for, we highly suggest you sign in advance. You will all have already registered because you have made your account and purchased your ticket. So at that point, you're just going to log in. I'm going to log into my account. All right, here's my account. Good to go. I can go back up here to my cart. And as you can see, it's sitting here. I'm going to scroll down. I can see proceed to checkout. I have my option here if I want to learn more about it beforehand. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to add one more to my cart. You can check out with multiple items. So I'm going to go back to shop, back to the class signups, and I'm going to add the simple angle play, add it to my cart, and now I can just go ahead and keep adding whatever I want along the way. You have one class that is actually an optional class kit. So that is the Winter Crescent bag for Tennessee. I'm going to go ahead and click that. And if you scroll down, you can see here, use code optional at checkout to make the class kit $0. That means you will secure your seat, but you will not have to pay for the class kit. However, you will have to read this class information, and you do have to bring all your own materials if you decide to do this. So I'm going to hit this add to cart and go to view cart. I'm going to scroll down and there's a coupon code section here, and then I'm going to type in optional. This code will only work on the Winter Crescent bag, and code applied successfully. And then if you go down here, you can see it removed that class kit cost here. And now I can move forward to proceed to checkout and then follow the normal checkout processes. So now I'm going to go through the checkout process. You can purchase your classes one at a time, but then you would have to go through this checkout process individually each time. If I had forgotten a coupon code, I can enter it here as well. Go ahead and fill in all my billing information. And this is really important. you must fill in here the name of who is taking the class. So if you're signing up for classes for 2 people and you put 2 Zip Away Tote classes in here, we need to know who both those individuals are. And that person needs to be with the ticket in your account. The ticket order number is required so that we can confirm that your ticket is yours and you have the right order. So this is where you're going to go in. You would have gotten an email when you purchased your ticket. So you would fill in that order number, and then this will make sure that you are able to sign up for classes. If you need to put in any notes here, that is up to you, and you can do that. And then you would just scroll down. You would choose PayPal. PayPal does have the regular PayPal, Venmo, and it has the pay now or pay later. Once you go into PayPal, it gives you that option. You can put in a credit card through this as well. You can do it separately on Stripe, or this is our PayPal credit card processing. And then highly suggest clicking this box. It allows you to join our emailing list if you would like. We do not spam. We only do it once a month with a list of all the events we have going on for the year and updates for those events. Plus, we do have ad hoc emails that we send out where, we want a mass amount of people to know, hey, class signups are going to now occur for this expo. So I hope this video helped you and you're able to get into the classes that you want for Tennessee Sew Magical Expo. Thank you. Follow us on all of our social media platforms to stay engaged and up to date.